Hello everyone. Are you curious about why stamping called the efficient miracle in manufacturing? Today let's talk about stamping. Metal stamping is to put pressure on the metal material to deform or separate. And finally, get the parts we need. So, what are the advantages of stamping? Then I will summarize several core advantages of stamping for you.
Ordinary presses can complete dozens of stamping operations per minute, while high-speed stamping can even reach hundreds of times per minute. During the stamping process, the mold ensures the size and the shape accuracy of the stamped parts. A qualified mold can produce thousands of identical high-quality parts. The processing range of stamping is very wide. HLC can provide a variety of products from 10 mm switch clips to automotive structural parts. Compared with other processing methods, stamping consumes less material. Generally, no chips are generated during processing. And through stamping, metal materials will occur cold deformation hardening effect, which makes stamping strength and stiffness are relatively high. It's precisely because of these advantages that metal stamping parts have been widely used in daily life, and the stamping technologies has become an indispensable part of modern industry.
As a trusted manufacturer, HLC Metal Parts delivers high-quality custom metal parts with advanced stamping technology. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.